Hi everyone, this is Jamin Kirkwood from Secure Financial Management with your March 2017 Economic Update. In this video, we'll talk about some of the economic headlines that influenced markets last month and give you some insight into what they might mean for you as an investor. Now please stay tuned to the end for a required disclosure statement. Well, February was a great month for stocks and an historic month for the Dow Jones. The blue chips closed at record highs for 12 straight trading sessions. That's a feat unmatched for the last 30 years. The S&P 500 also gained 3.7% for the month. Now, readings on consumer confidence and purchasing manager indices remained impressive, and a key home price index hit a 30-month high. The latest consumer price index showed mounting inflation pressure, and the Federal Reserve hinted at an upcoming rate move. Now, in domestic economic health, January inflation spiked to a level unseen in nearly 5 years, as the consumer and producer price indexes both rose 0.6%. The CPI's monthly gain was its largest since March of 2012. And in additional good news, more jobs were added in January at a rate of 227,000 compared to 157,000 in December. And finally, by executive order, President Donald Trump scheduled a review of the Dodd-Frank Act, calling for significant alterations to the financial regulations it imposed. The Trump administration seeks to improve borrowing conditions for businesses by overhauling large portions of this legislation. Now, in global economic health, with the Trans-Pacific Partnership collapsing, representatives from 16 Asian Pacific countries, including China, met in late February to discuss an alternative. The Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership could forge an eventual trade accord between many Asian countries to also include Australia and New Zealand. Now, in Europe, new Economic Commission data showed that the economies of Europe in all 28 Union member nations grew in 2016. This is a great sign for the EU, as growth across that region has not happened since 2007. And looking back and looking forward, with the incredible run the markets have had since November, some analysts look at the current rally in terms of irrational exuberance, while others wonder if this is the next phase of an historic mega bull market that may be unfolding. And the markets will cool off at some point. That much we know. But so far in 2017, investors haven't been bothered by much. Not the quarter-point rate hike we just saw for March, not the disconnect between a stock market at record highs and a 2% economic growth, or the price-to-earnings ratio of 21 that just was recently recorded on the Dow at the end of February. Will their confidence send the blue chips even higher this month? March promises to be an interesting and perhaps historic month to follow. That's it for the March Economic Update. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about what we've discussed, please give our office a call at the number below. Once again, this is Jamin Kirkwood with Secure Financial Management, signing off for the month of March 2017. Now, please remember that nothing we talk about here should be considered a recommendation. If you'd like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 210-428-6250. We'd be happy to speak with you.